for penguin, waddling so neat, he slides on ice with happy feet. Q is for quail, quick and shy. She hides in the grass when people pass by. R is for rabbit, who hops and spins. She finds her carrots and gently grins. S is for seal, who claps along. He sings with the whales a bubbly song. T is for tiger, sneaky and slow. He prowls through the grass with eyes that glow. U is for Uriel, climbing high. He walks on cliffs that touch the sky. V is for vulture, flying far. He circles above where the wild things are. W is for whale, so big and blue. She blows a spout and waves at you. X is for X-ray, fish swimming in a stream. You can see his bones, it's like a dream. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. He hums a tune without a care. Z is for zebra, with stripes so bold. He gallops fast through fields of gold. A is for apple, red and round. B is for bus, it zooms through town. C is for cat, who loves to purr. D is for dog with fluffy fur. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who jumps all day long. G is for grape, purple and sweet. H is for helicopter, flying on fleet. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun as can be. Colorful friends from A to Z. Let's go explore the alphabet tree. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jellyfish, wiggly and funny. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lemon with a zingy pop. M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for nest, where birdies fly. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for plane, soaring in flight. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun as can be. Colorful friends from A to Z. Let's go explore the alphabet tree. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rocket, blasting up and down. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for train, chugging on by. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, black and white bound. Now we've learned our ABCs, with apples, zebras, and flying bees. Letters are fun, just sing and see. The alphabet's as cool as can be.